Day 4 of our HRM course. We talked about JD. A job description or JD is a written narrative that describes the general tasks or other related duties and responsibilities of a position. It may specify the functionary to whom the position reports, specifications such as qualification or skills needed by the person in the job, information about the equipment, tools and the work aids used, working conditions, physical demands, and a general salary range. Job descriptions are usually narrative, but some may comprise a simple list of competencies. For example, strategic human resource planning methodologies may be used to develop a competency architecture for an organization from which the job descriptions are built as a short list of competencies. According to Norton, a job description comes out through a job analysis, which includes a detailed examination of the tasks and sequence of the tasks necessary to perform the job. The analysis considers the areas of knowledge, skills, and abilities needed to perform the job. Job analysis involves the following steps: collecting and recording job information, checking the job information for accuracy, writing job descriptions based on the information, using the information to determine what skills, abilities, and knowledge is required to perform the job, and of course, updating the information from time to time. A job usually includes several roles. According to Hall, the job description might be broadened to form a person specifications or what may be known as terms of reference. The person/job specification can be presented as a standalone document, but in practice it is usually included within the job description. A job description is very often used by the employers in the recruitment process. Now, moving on to today's MCQs. 21. Job analysis is a process of gathering information about the 22. The final process of a job analysis is the preparation of two statements, namely, which of the following terms is not associated with job analysis? The process of bringing together different tasks to build a job is called The process of grouping of similar type of works together is known as 26. The system of ranking jobs in a firm on the basis of the relevant characteristics, duties and responsibilities is known as 27. The written statement of the findings of job analysis is called 28. A structured questionnaire method for collecting data about the personal qualities of employees is called 29. The model that aims at measuring the degree of each essential ability required for performing the job effectively is known as the last MCQ for the day. The method that depends mainly on the ability and experience of the supervisor for gathering relevant information about the job is called the We ended our day 4 with a detailed discussion on LinkedIn. LinkedIn can be used for both getting a job and finding an employee. Today we talked about the summary line and the picture. The summary line should not only show where you are but also where you want to go. The picture should meet the specifications of how a future employer would like to see you. When somebody searches you on LinkedIn, the only thing that they see is your picture and summary. Together, they have to form an impression that the person would like to know more about you. It should not be something which is for others, it should be something which is specifically for you. So don't copy and paste. It should be exactly how you would like to see it and how your future employer would like to see it. That's all about the day 4. My best and the awesomest students of section C. I look forward to see you on day 5, that is Friday, tomorrow.